This was $1. This was $1. This was $1. For the record, I've never done this before, and I have no instruction right now.
Oh, grace, every time you...
Hey.
Alright, wait, what did I say? What's up, you guys?
Hey guys, it's Heather.
Yeah. What's up, you guys? It's Heather, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I have a special guest, if you couldn't tell.
Connor.
And this is my boyfriend, Connor. So today, Connor will be doing my makeup, but with a twist because we're using dollar store makeup. And
Not just dollar store, Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree makeup. I set them out in order so that he knows what to do first.
This is our Color Mates pressed powder natural beige color. This was $1.
Okay.
Guess what? This was $1. This was $1. This was $1. This is what? What was this $1? Oh wait, yeah, it was only $1.
So now that everything's clarified, it was all $1. Crazy. We didn't expect that. Okay.
Wasn't expecting that at Dollar Tree.
Okay. I can't expect it. Can you do it?
Your fans are waiting. For the record, I've never done this before, and I have no instruction right now. So we're just kind of freestyling.
I'm scared I'm gonna break out. I have to take it off immediately. I feel like it's not doing anything, is it?
It's not really doing much.
Make sure you get under my eye. That's my problem area.
I don't have a problem with it.
Alright, let's
Step one.
let's see this. So what do we rate this one?
I give it a solid 9 out of 10 for dollar store makeup.
9 out of 10?
Yeah, for dollar store makeup, I honestly wasn't expecting this kind of collection, but it really brings out the...
Alright, next is contour.
This is LA Colors Contour from Dollar Tree.
So you need to use that one.
The black one?
Yeah, and you put it... Actually, I'm not going to tell you where to put it.
Okay.
Have you ever heard of contouring?
It goes on your cheekbones, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job.
Wow, that's actually looking good. Okay. Wow, it looks like your face is swollen now. Are you having an allergic reaction?
No, that's the contour you put on.
Wow, it really works.
Well, you definitely didn't put it in the right place. Like at all, actually.
It looks right to me. Blend. Blend.
Contour is supposed to go like this.
Ah.
But now we're moving on, so.
Next is our blush and brush by Color Mates again. So this is gonna go, it's supposed to go where I put the contour, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna put this on.
The next step is eyeshadow. So we got this eyeshadow palette. So what type of look are you going for here?
Going for kind of a Cherokee mermaid look. To bring the mermaid out, we're gonna use some kind of ocean blue is what we're gonna call this. By the way, this is Color Mates again. We're gonna call that ocean blue. But it seems to be coming off a kind of purple color. You do this every morning?
No. There's makeup wipes if you want that.
Spit works just fine.
Oh, I also got something else for eyes that I want you to try. I also got this Shady Babe Duo Cream eyeshadow. So this is a cream eyeshadow. I've literally never even tried one of these like in a good brand. So we'll see.
Which colors? I'm
This
thinking.
one.
Okay.
Wait.
I decided.
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna do that one because she likes it. I like her. So we're gonna put this over that.
Whoa, I guess, yeah.
It's gonna look really weird.
I don't know, I'm not actually a makeup like professional.
I don't think it would look right over the blue.
I think, what is this called again? Why does this say bold brow? What the f?
Because it's for your brows, Doug.
What did this say though? Duo cream eyeshadow, but then that says for eyebrows. Why would you put that on your brow?
I don't make the rules. Wow, beautiful. An eyelid is a pretty weird thing once you get up close.
Why? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do the other color on the other side.
No. We're doing good.
Okay. So this is the finished eye look. Oh, we have mascara. Okay, here you go. Don't poke my eye, please.
Open your eyelid.
I'm so
Stop.
scared.
Come here. I got you.
I'm gonna cry. This is so scary. You're just doing one eye. Okay. I'll do the other.
No, I'll do
No. Please no.
Is this Heather does makeup? Or Heather's boyfriend does makeup?
Connor.
I'm not gonna hurt you. Open that eye so I don't hit it. I got you. He's a magic man.
Okay.
It's magic hands.
I will say this liquid eyeshadow is kind of itchy.
Not good.
So we're just gonna quickly finish this up with a lip. You're supposed to go like that.
Okay.
Then you just do the bottom.
Hey guys, we're back.
So my camera died while he was doing my lips. It's done. We don't need any more of that. It's really sticky, and we're just gonna film this on my phone for the rest of the vid. And the last thing is this clear lip gloss, which doesn't look very good. I'm kind of scared. Let's try it out.
Give her a go. Why not?
Alright, so this is the finished makeup look. Alright, so this is the finished makeup look that you just saw done by Connor. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Say bye.
Bye. Nice video.